everyone, we're in the lab. As you can see there, this is like construction, I guess. Let's see if anything's on the normal table. Oh, is this anything? Zone copier. Nice. Good. Let's roll the intro. Okay, so there's something in here. Is there anything actually in here? D-latch. Okay. Let's go into outpost. Okay, so I completely forgot there's a vote broadcaster. So that's all I forgot really. Okay, so we're in outpost. Let's see if we can see anything. Oh, yo, chainsaw. That is cool. That's sick. Well, let's go try and find the map, I guess. So this is a new map, and as you can see, Prop Mall is now gone. So in the next update, Prop Mall will be gone. This is the map right here. This map is the same as the one in the community world called Tag. So yeah. Yeah, the easy to hold. You can go in here, explore. Probably a book code section here. Yeah. This is what the lab has to offer. So let's go try out the brand new chainsaw and a thing, I guess. Okay, so I'm in a wilds right now. So I think one of the codes is chainsaw. Is it? Yes, it is. How do I work this thing? So you can't use it in a wild. Okay, let's just test. Yo, it actually breaks them. That's probably way easier to break stuff in the game. So that's a really good item. Let's see if, like this is one. Oh, it is. What is this? What is this? Do I grab this? Oh! Yo, this is kind of sick. It's like you just copy sections of the map. That's kind of sick. I actually love that. You can jump. That's cool. This is actually really cool. I think people are gonna love this. This is actually gonna be a really good item. Let me just turn on the block. There's a little. Let me get here. This is the highest I can go. Yeah. This is what. Wait, what's this? What is this? This is a camera or something? Wait. Oh, so what is this? Well, that's it for this video. Hope you like it, and I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye guys.